Imagine this. You've nailed your makeup. Every blend, every flick, flawless. You step outside, and boom. The sun's blazing. The humidity's wild. Your face starts to fight back. Will your makeup survive the day? Welcome to mi&halo, where we uncover the real secrets behind beauty essentials. Today, we're putting setting sprays through the ultimate survival test. Stay tuned. You're about to see beauty myths busted wide open. Last time on mi&halo, we dived deep into the world of primers, unmasking which formulas actually blur pores, smooth textures, and make your foundation last longer. We tested drugstore gems versus luxury icons and found a few surprises along the way. But primers are just the first step. Today, we're moving to the next level. Can setting sprays truly lock your makeup in place, or are they just a refreshing mist of false promises? Setting sprays are everywhere, promising all-day wear, sweat-proof finish, and glow like a goddess. But are these sprays the real MVPs? Or just expensive water bottles dressed in glam? Before we dive in, smash that subscribe button and hit like if you've ever had your makeup melt off when you needed it most. Comment your favorite setting spray below. We just might feature it in our next battle test. Because today, it's not just another product haul. We're putting setting sprays in the real-world pressure cooker. Sweat sessions, city heat waves, 12-hour marathon days. No retouching, no filters, just honest results. Here's what you'll see today. Which matte spray holds strong through workouts? Whether a dewy spray survives summer humidity? How hydrating sprays handle dry, stressed skin? And the hottest trends of 2025, clean, AI-personalized, and biotech-powered sprays. Spoiler, not all heroes wear capes, some come in under $15. This isn't just another top 5 setting sprays list. We tested these sprays in the real world, on real skin, under real chaos. The gym, 30 minutes into cardio, sweat dripping. Foundation tested to the max. The matte setting spray promised oil control all day. Result? It kept shine at bay, but dried out combination skin faster than desert air. Takeaway: if you're oily, it's your best friend. But dry skin folks, beware, you'll need extra hydration underneath. City streets, 90% humidity, no umbrella, just vibes. Dewy sprays looked jaw-droppingly gorgeous at first. Radiant, glowy, filter-worthy. But by mid-afternoon, some turned sticky, almost heavy. Only one dewy spray held its ground, giving that perfect glass skin look without slipping off. Key lesson: dewy doesn't mean sweaty if you pick the right formula. Office grind, 10 hours. Air conditioning blasting. Makeup stress tested. Hydrating sprays surprised us most. A $12 drugstore pick outperformed a $60 luxury mist, keeping the skin fresh, bouncy, and makeup perfectly intact until after sunset. Winner: affordable, clean, and super skin-friendly. Science check. Biotech ingredients. Some setting sprays now adjust to humidity and oil production, making them smarter than ever. AI and AR tools. They're matching skin types to specific formulas with scary precision. Price tags don't guarantee results. Performance does. And when it's tested under pressure, you know what's real. Want your setting spray to really work overtime? Pro tips: mist between layers. Spray after foundation, after powder, after blush. Spray your brush before shimmer or metallic shadow. It intensifies color payoff like magic. Refrigerate your mist. A chilled spray refreshes makeup and fights puffiness. And remember, match your setting spray to your skin type. Oily skin equals matte setting sprays. Dry skin equals hydrating or dewy setting sprays. Combo skin equals layer smart. Use matte on T-zone, hydrating elsewhere. Next up on mi&halo. Can an ice cube really erase under-eye puffiness? Or is it just another frozen beauty myth? Get ready. We're testing it, side by side with clinical tricks. Your makeup tells your story. And a great setting spray? It's the final chapter that keeps it intact. Choose wisely. Apply smartly. And never settle for products that promise more than they deliver. Your glow deserves better, and now you know exactly how to protect it. If you love today's real-world beauty battle, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an episode. Tell us your worst makeup meltdown story in the comments. We'll feature the best ones soon. This is Me and Halo. Faceless beauty, real results, and secrets you won't hear anywhere else. See you next time.